Lipids Part 1, presented by Karan Bapte, MPharm in Quality Assurance. It contains introduction to lipids, classification of lipids. Lipids is a Greek word, means lipos, means fat or lard. The lipids are the heterogeneous group of compounds including fats, oil, steroids, waxes, and related compounds that are related more by the physical than by their chemical properties, have a distinguished functional group or structural feature. Lipids are insoluble in water and highly soluble in one or more of the solvent, ether, chloroform, benzene, and acetone. This property sets them apart from protein, carbohydrate, nucleic acids, and other biomolecules. Lipids are important feature in cell membrane. Fat-soluble vitamins and steroid hormones make up 18 to 25% of body mass in lean adult. Formed of long chain hydrocarbon groups, also contain oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, and sulfur. Properties of lipids: insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent, then actually or potentially related to fatty acids, then it can be used as a source of energy by animals. Classification of lipids: lipids are classified into simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids are fat and oils, simple and mixed, then waxes. Compound lipids are further classified into phospholipids, glycolipids, and sulfolipids. Phospholipids example lecithin, cephalin, plasmalogen, sphingomyelin. Then glycolipids classified into cerebrosides, gangliosides. Then sulfolipids. Derived lipids, it classified into alcohol, fatty acids, sterols, and isoprenoids. There are further example terpenoids and carotenoid. Classification of lipids: simple lipids, esters of fatty acids with various alcohol. First, triglycerol and triglycerides. Fats, esters of fatty acids with glycerol. Example trialine, tripalmethane. Oils are fats in the liquid state. Example corn, groundnut oil. Waxes, true waxes, esters of fatty acids, that is C14 to 36 with higher molecular weight. Monohydric long chain alcohols C16 to 30. Example beeswax, lanolin, spermaceti oil. Other waxes: cholesterol ester, vitamin A ester, vitamin D ester. Second, complex or compound lipids, esters of fatty acids containing groups in addition to an alcohol and a fatty acid. In that we discuss about phospholipid, lipids containing in addition to fatty acid and an alcohol a phosphoric acid residue. They frequently have nitrogen containing bases and other constituents. Example glycerophospholipids, the alcohol in glycerol, and in sphingophospholipid, the alcohol in sphingosine. Glycolipids, glycosphingolipids, lipids containing of fatty acids, sphingosine, and carbohydrate, cerebrosides, and gangliosides. Lipoprotein, macromolecular complexes of lipids with a protein. Then other complex lipids, lipids such as sulfolipids and aminolipids. Lipopolysaccharides may also be placed in that category. Then derived and precursor lipids, derived from simple lipids or complex lipids on hydrolysis. These include fatty acid and glycerol, monoacyl and diacyl glycerol, steroids lipids with a cyclopentanoper hydrophenanthrene ring. Example cholesterol and its derivatives, bile acid, hormones, ergosterol. Other alcohols, fatty aldehyde, ketone bodies. Hydrocarbon, lipid soluble vitamins and hormones. Eicosanoids, arachidonic and derivatives like prostaglandin and TXA2. Then miscellaneous lipids. These include a large number of compounds possessing the characteristics of lipids. Example carotenoid, squalene, hydrocarbon such as pentacosone in beeswax, and terpenes. Neutral lipids The lipids which are uncharged are referred to as neutral lipids. These are mono, di, and triglycerols, cholesterol, and cholesterol ester. Then we discuss in detail fatty acids. Fatty acids are simplest form of lipids. Fatty acids are aliphatic carboxylic acids with hydrocarbon side chain. Have the general formula RCH2NCOOH, where R is a alkyl group or hydrocarbon chain and COOH are carboxyl end. Occurrence: they occur mainly as esters in natural fats and oils, but do occur in the unesterified form as a free fatty acids. Free fatty acids are formed only during metabolism, a transport from found in the plasma. Fatty acids that occur in natural fats are usually straight chain derivatives containing an even number of carbon atoms. Even and odd carbon fatty acids. Most of fatty acids that occur in natural lipids are of even carbon, usually 14 carbon to 20 carbon. This is due to biosynthesis of fatty acids mainly occurs with a sequential addition of 2 carbon units. Palmitic acids contains 16 carbon. Stearic acid contain 18 carbon are most common. Propionic acids contain 3 carbon and valeric acid contain 5 carbon are common odd chain fatty acids. Nomenclature: it is a base on hydrocarbon form which it is derived after the name of the parent hydrocarbon with the suffix enoic acid for saturated fatty acids, enoic acid for unsaturated fatty acid. See the hydrocarbon chain and it end and carboxyl group. Octane means 8 carbon, then acid plus octanoic acid. For example, the 18 carbon saturated fatty acid is called octadecanoic acid because the parent hydrocarbon is octadecane. A 18 carbon fatty acids with one double bond is called octadecanoic acid with a two double bonds, octadecadenoic acid, and with the 3 double bond, octadecatrienoic acid. The notation 18 as per 0 denotes a 18 carbon fatty acid with no double bond, whereas 18 as to 2 signifies that there are 2 double bonds. The carbon atoms are numbered from COOH group as 1. The carbon adjacent to these are 2, 3, 4 etc. or alpha, beta, gamma. Carboxyl groups: carbon is a C1, next carbon atom is C2, alpha carbon, next is beta, and so on. The position of a double bond is represented by the symbol delta followed by a subscript number counting from carboxyl group end. Example: delta 9 indicate a double bond between carbon 9 and 10 of the fatty acids. Alternatively, the position of a double bond can be denoted by counting from the distal end with the gamma carbon atom, the methyl carbon as a number 1. Gamma 9 indicates a double bond on the 9th carbon counting from gamma carbon. In animals, additional double bonds are introduced only between the existing double bond, example 9, 6 or 3, and the carboxyl group, leading to 3 series of fatty acids known as the epsilon 9, epsilon 6 and epsilon 3 families respectively. Example is a butyric acid, in that Arabic numbers, Greek alphabetic numbers and omega numbers. Polyunsaturated fatty acids of omega 6 family, example linoleic acids 18H2, delta 9, 12 and omega 6. This is the example. In 18H2, that is delta 9s, and 12 omega 6 or delta 6, where 18 total number of carbon atom and 2 number of double bond. Delta 9, 2, 12 or 9, 12. First carbon position of double bond starting from the carboxyl end. Omega 6 first carbon position of double bond starting from terminal methyl group, that is omega carbon. General structure of fatty acids. Fatty acids are amphipathic molecules composed of hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail formed by the hydrocarbon chain. The degree of solubility of a fatty acid depends on the length of the hydrocarbon chain. Classification of fatty acids according to chain length: short, medium and long. According to degree of saturation: saturated and unsaturated. According to chain type: branch and cyclic. According to biological value is essential and non-essential. Then classification of fatty acids according to chain length: short, medium and long. Low or short chain fatty acids contain 8 carbon atom or less, from 2 to 8. Example: acetic acids and butyric acid. Medium chain fatty acids contain from 10 to 12 carbon atom. High or long chain fatty acids contain more than 12 carbon atom. Example: palmitic acid, stearic acid and lignoceric acid. Number of carbon atoms, common name and systematic name and its formula. Number of carbon atom is 2, then it called acetic acids. Systemic name is ethanoic acid. If carbon number is 4, then called butyric acid, called butanoic acid. Then if carbon is 6, then caproic acid, their systemic name is hexanoic acids. Then if number of carbon atom is 8, then common name is caprylic acid and systemic name is octanoic acid. If number of carbon atom is 10, then called capric acid and systemic name is decanoic acid. If number of carbon atom is 12, common name is lauric acids and systematic name is dodecanoic acids. If number of carbon is 14, then called common name is myrstric acid and systematic name is tetradecanoic acid. If number of carbon atom is 16, then called palmitic acid, their systematic name is hexadecanoic acid. If number of carbon atom is 18, then common name is stearic acids and systemic name is octadecanoic acid. If carbon number of atom is 20, then it called arachidonic acid, systematic name is eicosanoid acid. If number of carbon atom is 22, it called behylic acids. Decasonic acid is their systemic name.